Welcome back, guys, and in today's video we are going to talk about lists. Now, lists in HTML can be of two types. You can have unordered list and ordered list. Now, the tag for unordered list is ul, while that for ordered list is ol. So let me just show you how to create a simple unordered list. So you have the ul ordered, and you can change the style to, let's say, disk. Sorry. And the property should be list style. So, and our value should be disk. So let me close this. Now let's have just two lists under this. Now, to create the actual list, we're going to use li tag. So let's say the first thing on our list is coffee, and also we can have tea. So let's close this tag now. Sorry. So now let's close our ul tag. And let's review this. Now, as you can see, we have a list, and the first one is coffee and the second one is tea. Now, as you can see those two dots showing that our list style is disk. You can have dash, you can have different list style. So that's for unordered list. Now, the second type of list is ordered list. Now, instead of ul we have ol. Now let me just change this attribute to type, and we want to set this equals to. Now, ordered list is where you have something ordered. This can be in normal numbers, this can be Roman numerals, whatever which you want it ordered. So let's use this type. So then let's change this to ol. Now let's see how this looks like. Now you can see, because it is ordered, so it is in an arranged pattern. We are using one normal normal numbers. You can also use other types of ordered way to arrange this. So apart from that, you can also have something like description in our list. So let me show you a quick example. So and that we are going to be using dt description, sorry, dl. Now, under our dl, we are going to have dt. And for this, let's say the first one is coffee. Let me close this. Now, under my dt, I'm going to have a dd which will show us the description for our coffee. So dd, and what is a coffee? It's a black hot drink. Yeah, coffee should be hot, not drinks, drink. Then let's close our description tag. Then also let's have milk, another list. Let's close this. Now, for description for our milk, let me see, it's a white cold drink. This milk should be white, yes. Not always cold, but for this example, let's say it's a white cold drink since the first one is hot. So let's put our tag dd. and let's close our DL tag. Now let's see what we've done so far. Now we have two lists. The first the first on our list is coffee, while the second is milk. Now under each list we have a little description about what each list is talking about. Now apart from that, we can also have something called a nested list. So nested list is where you have a normal list, and under that list you now have another list in one of the lists. Sounds a little bit confusing, but let me show you what it looks like. Now let's use our unordered list. UL. Now under this, let's have 2 or 3 lists. Let's say the first one is coffee, LI, and this should be coffee. I'm just going to copy this. Paste again. Now let's change this second one to T, and this third one to milk. Sorry. Now let's close our list, our another list tag. So after closing this tag, now this is a normal link, but what I wanted to show you in this is a nested list. Now under our T, now let's say we have different types of tea. Apart from our regular tea, we want to show the types of tea we can have under tea, like black tea, green tea, red tea, whatever kind of tea you have. So we're going to have another list under this tea now. So that is what we refer to as nested list. Now that list is also going to be unordered, and under it we're going to have the first list, LI. The first one should be a black tea. Black tea. God knows who drinks that. So let's say LI. Then also let's have a green tea. You should check that out, it's very good. Green tea, not green tea. So let's see how this looks. Oh, our milk should not be under the tea. That's because I forgot to close my UL. So we need to tell the HTML that this list under T ends here. So let's see this now. Now as you can see, we have 3 main lists, which is coffee, tea, and milk. Now under the tea we have extra list under that tea, which is the black tea and the green tea. Now this is an example of nested list. Now thank you for watching my videos, and if you want to see more videos on different HTML tags, I suggest you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified. Thank you.